this isn't like exaggeration. Like, I legit think these products have changed my skincare routine for the better, and it just, you will thank me. Honestly, just try this, guys. I have not been to a single professional makeup salon ever since I started to use these. When an influencer says a product is a must-have, don't buy it just yet. But if they have receipts like this, that's when you check it out. Alright guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be doing one of the empties where I show you guys all the great KBeauty skincare products that I have emptied out till the last drop. I absolutely love that. I think you guys will also really enjoy. So without further ado, let's get this video started right away, shall we? Oh, also, as per usual, please let me know in the comments down below what are the products that you have emptied out and you absolutely loved. I always love reading you guys' comments, and I'm always checking out for new recs down there. So make sure to leave me down a comment. First, starting off, oh my gosh, guys, this has been helping my skin so much recently. I have been literally obsessed. It is the one thing Centella Asiatica extract. And I mentioned this in my recent video to you guys, but honestly, it has been helping me so much battle and tackle the redness, the overheated redness of my cheeks and the irritation that I have. And I'm obsessed. Okay, nowadays what I've been doing is I've been trying to find the best cotton pad. This is not like side dish kimchi or anything. I've been trying to find the perfect cotton pad that pairs the best with the Centella Asiatica extract with one thing, because my skin's been really loving it, really appreciating it in the hot, humid weather. So basically, this is straight up just Centella Asiatica extract. It's simple, no complicated ingredients, and I think sometimes your skin just needs the most simplest thing in order for you to really tackle any irritation. And I think this has been really hitting the spot for me. So of course you can go straight in. It's basically like an essence or a toner, so you can go straight in, or they have a mist version which is really handy as well. But I just love using it with the DIY sheet mask, and I store this in the fridge, and once I plaster it on, oh my gosh, skincare-gasm, whatever you want to call it. And I've noticed that it really does make a huge difference, especially when I use this straight after I've gotten a lot of sun. I've noticed that the next day my skin feels a lot more calmer, whereas on days where I don't, my skin, I can still feel the heat trapped and retained in my skin. So this has been super handy, especially if you've been out vacationing in the sun or you've been out the whole day. This is a must. So far, the verdict is that I really like the thin cotton pads. I've been experimenting with a couple, but these are the best ones. My favorite one is this big one. I don't know where you can get it. I think I've gotten mine from Have Blue, but it's these really big ones. Oh my gosh. Oh, these feel so cooling right now, and you just put them on and it just, you will thank me. Honestly, just try this, guys. And what I love about this is that these are so affordable, and they're having a sale soon. This isn't like a sponsored post or anything, but they are having a sale, so you can get this on a really good deal, and you can use my code. I don't get anything from the code, by the way. They just gave it to me and they're like, you can share it with your subbies, and I was like, okay. So you can get an extra 10% off using my code 𝖢entella10. But trust me, guys, try it. Just use any cotton pads you have lying around in your house, store in the fridge, and just put it on the first thing as your skincare routine, and your skin is going to be repaired, healed, and at peace. And I feel like that does so much, especially, you guys know, this is something I've been saying for years. Inflammation, heat is definitely one of the factors that expedites or speeds up aging. It destroys collagen. So that's why you need to make sure to really tackle the heat straight away as soon as you feel it. And this is such an easy way to do it. Like, there's no fluff, it's not fancy, but sometimes like the classic old trick always works. So make sure to check this out. I've already emptied out second, and then I also use the mist. I use this as a first step of my skincare routine. It's just really easy that way, and then I like doing DIY sheet mask with this. It's just fabulous. So make sure to check it out, guys. Next empties I have is the Delere Caviar Glow Skin Smoothing Serum. You guys know I raved about this earlier. We had a promotion going on. So if you guys did get your hands on them, let me know in the comments down below how you enjoyed them. But honestly, this serum hits, especially for the hot, humid weather. It's a formulation that just sits right perfectly in the middle, so it's not too hot. Oh, I still have some left. I thought this was, I'm almost done with it. I know that's for sure, but it sits perfectly right in the middle and the finish is very, very neat and pristine. So it's not like a dewy one. And sometimes like in the hot, humid weather, that's all you really, really need. So this product has not only retinol, but niacinamide and Caviar omega extract in it. So lots of great well-aging boosting ingredients, and also niacinamide, retinol. The percentage of the retinol is not too high, so I feel like it doesn't irritate my skin. I can use it whenever I want it to. So I do use this day and night, and I just make sure to top it off with a really, really good SPF and also vitamin C. But yes, this, if you got your hands on it, I feel like now is the perfect time to use it. And it's going to nourish, plump fine lines, and give it that nice classic Korean glass skin look without going over the top. So I'm almost done with this. I think I still have a couple of pumps left, but this is fabulous. And also, speaking of the brands, I do have 2 empties of products. I don't think I can reveal what they are, but I'm super excited for them, and they will be releasing these very, very soon. And I'm so excited for you guys to find out what they are. But I've also emptied out these 2, and I can't wait to tell you guys because it's good, guys. It's good. What's coming, it's good, okay? And this isn't like exaggeration. Like, I legit think these products have changed my skincare routine for the better. So I'm really excited. But I have 2 more empties from the brand Delere. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys very, very soon. Another product that I absolutely loved using is the Abso Bio Band Repair Cream. I mentioned this to you guys in one of my recent videos where I talked about the best routine that I have nailed down to battle redness, and I feel like this really hits. So this is going to basically create that protective liquid bandage layer for your skin and help with damaged skin. Maybe if you've gotten like a treatment, you can apply this afterwards, or I haven't done that yet, but they do claim that it's very suitable for that usage as well. The only thing about this cream is that it's kind of metallic, and so it's really, really hard to like get to the last drops of it. I feel like that's one of the issues I have with these types of creams, and then you have them like bursting at the sides. But anyways, but the formulation is beautiful that I'm willing to overlook that. This is basically amazing barrier repair cream, and what I love about this is that, like its name, Bio Band, it literally feels like a band-aid for its skin barrier. So it's got this really exquisite texture that sits right between a gel type and a regular cream, and it just feels so soothing on your skin as soon as you apply it on. So it's composed of amazing ingredients that's going to support your lipid structure, including panthenol, ceramides, peptides, centella, a lot of calming, boosting, nourishing ingredients that I absolutely love. And what I love about this is that honestly it almost feels like an ointment for your skin, minus all the heavy, greasy factor. So it almost feels very airy, breathless on the skin, if you will. So this is a cream that I absolutely enjoyed for the summer times. I think it just hit the spot, especially like for the summer times. I don't know about you guys, but it's one of the seasons where I'm just like, ugh, creams. It just feels really heavy and sticky. Don't get me wrong, I love, they're great options like the Make Prem ones, but you guys get the idea, right? But this one was like, I'll do you. Even in this hot weather. So this is definitely a great cream, especially if you have more of like an oily skin type, combo skin type, or you want something that's not as heavy, like the Dr. Rijua one, which you guys know I love to bits, but it's like so hot and humid in Korea. I can't. So this is also a great one to check out. Next, I do have this no glue eyelash. You guys know I am obsessed with these, but like my favorite ones from Core & Co, these no glue eyelashes, like I actually have a lot of packets of these. So these are basically like singular cutout eyelash falsies, and they already have glue on them, so all you have to do is just stick them on your waterline, you're good to go. I already have a couple of these on, and they're life-changing, no exaggeration, hands down. They have changed my makeup game for the better, but these are expensive. So my dear friend Freya, she actually ordered me some off of Temu. So this is a Chinese brand, and it was a fraction of the price, which I really, really did love. I think this is the brand Mixiaohe, I don't know, but I'll try to link them down. But yeah, I got these individual, like very pristine, clean ones, and these are always great for like everyday usage. So I have an empties of these. I really do go through these fast because I do use them every time I do makeup, and I do put on makeup pretty much a lot of the day days throughout the week just because I have so many meetings to go to, I have to film. So I do go through these, like, I want to say like 1 box a month. So I did cheat and go to Temu. Hey, if it works, right? And it's affordable. So if you guys haven't tried these pre-glued eyelashes, I highly recommend them. I have not been to a single professional makeup salon ever since I started to use these, and I feel like that was the biggest reason why I went to them in the first place, because they really do plant these falsies really well. But ever since these came out, I'm like, hey, I'm good to go. Like, right? Look at those lashes, right? So these are the eyelash extensions that I've gotten. So these are kind of already stuck in, but at the onset of my eye, like here, I just stuck these on and they've been working great. So love. All right, last but definitely least, I do have another Mixiaohe pure cleansing water sensitive. So you guys know, I know my OG Subies are gonna be shocked, like, Sue, you're using a cleansing water? I know, I never ever used to be an advocate of cleansing waters just because I just felt like the process of you wiping your face with a cotton pad, no matter how doused or how drenched they are with the cleansing water, I always felt like that was too irritating for your skin. And I still do think that is the case. But what's going on is that ever since I've gotten my eyelash extensions, I can't use oil cleansers. So I have no alternative. So I've been using the Mixiaohe one. Honestly, so far, this is my favorite. But to be fair, I've only used Green's cleansing water, and I didn't really love that one as much. I feel like this one does such a better job at removing everything very, very neatly, everything off immaculately. The only thing is that this also stings my eyes. So I don't know if you guys remember, but when I reviewed the green one, I was like, guys, I don't like this one because it stung my eyes so bad. But the Mixiaohe one doesn't. I swear they changed the formula or something. The first bottle that I went through, it didn't sting my eyes at all. But this one does. So I'm just like, was I tripping the first time around? But basically, for those of you who guys weren't aware, Mixiaohe is a brand that does really, really well with their cleansing products. They have a whole lineup of best-selling like cleansing oils, cleansing foams, and this one is also their bestseller. And it's basically micellar water. So you just get a cotton pad, you douse it, and you remove like your foundation, your makeup, whatever. And this does a really, really good job in removing everything. But I really want to check out other options as well, because I know like the one, for example, Bioderma one in Korea is really, really famous, and that's been like #1 seller for years. So I also want to give that one a try. And if you guys know any other brands that do really, really good in terms of cleansing water, let me know in the comments down below. But I've been really happy with it, and I always get it when they have like a 1+1 sale at Olive Young. And I'm almost done with the using it. It's in my bathroom right now. I only have this much left. It looks like water, but it works great. I still don't love how you have to remove everything with a cotton pad, because it does feel a little aggressive sometimes on my very sensitive skin. I have contact dermatitis, you guys know, so I do prefer using cleansing oils or cleansing milks. But alas, the eye situation is not allowing me to do that. So sometimes I'll actually do just like my cheek areas, and then the rest I'll just use a cleansing water. But sometimes I like get so like, I'm just like not bothered to do that 2-step process. But anyways, I do like this. If you guys have better alternatives, let me know in the comments down below. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. This one was pretty simple, but I am so happy with all the products I mentioned. Like, I feel like I really, really got a good usage out of all of them, and I will be continuing to use backups of these, except for this one. I'm gonna try out a new brand. All right, guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next. Ciao! Oh, also guys, I know I don't have an SPF, which is shocking, and it's because I've been in between different SPFs. Like my favorite one that I have in rotation right now is the Iunique one and the Innisfree one. Hold up, it's right here. So depending on my mood, I just switch these 3 up, and that's why I don't have an of these. But like this one, I'm already halfway done. This one, I think I'm also halfway done. But yes, just letting you guys know, because I know some of you guys are waiting for like my SPF empties. But anyways, that's really the end of this video. Bye!